Your home's windows do more than just let in light. They protect your home from the elements, help with energy efficiency, and add to the overall aesthetics of your property. As a homeowner in New Orleans, it's essential to ensure your windows are in good condition, especially with the region's unique weather conditions. From the hot, humid summers to the unpredictable storms, your windows face a lot of stress. Knowing when it's time for a window replacement can save you money, increase comfort, and protect your home. Here are some key signs that it may be time to replace your windows. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most common indicators that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you notice a chill in the air even when your heat is on, or if the air conditioning feels like it's struggling to keep your home cool in the summer, it could be due to gaps around your windows. Air leaks can increase your energy bills and reduce the comfort inside your home. Replacing windows with modern, energy-efficient models can improve insulation, seal out drafts, and keep your home at a more consistent temperature. Visible condensation or fogging. If you spot condensation or fogging between the panes of your window, it's a clear sign that the window's seal has failed. This can happen over time due to wear and tear, allowing moisture to collect between the glass. In New Orleans, with its high humidity levels, this problem can be exacerbated. A broken seal not only impacts the appearance of your windows but also diminishes their insulation properties. Replacing these windows can restore their function and appearance. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Another telltale sign that your windows may need replacing is difficulty when opening or closing them. Over time, windows can warp, swell, or become misaligned due to weather changes and wear. In a place like New Orleans, where humidity and rain can be significant, wooden windows, in particular, are prone to this issue. If you're struggling to operate your windows, it could be time for an upgrade. Easy to operate, modern windows will ensure that you can open and close them with ease, while also offering better security features. High energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills despite regular heating and cooling maintenance, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer performing as efficiently as they should. Older windows, especially single-pane models, tend to let heat escape in the winter and let heat in during the summer, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Investing in energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing and low emissivity, low-E coatings can significantly reduce energy loss, leading to lower energy bills in the long run. Aesthetic damage. Your windows should enhance your home's curb appeal, not detract from it. If your windows are cracked, chipped, or have visible signs of wear, it may be time to consider replacing them. Not only do damaged windows look unsightly, but they can also be a safety risk. Cracks in the glass can weaken the window structure, making it more likely to shatter or break. By replacing damaged windows, you'll improve the overall look of your home and ensure that it's safe for you and your family. Noise pollution. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or close to a busy street in New Orleans, you may notice that street noise is penetrating your home. Windows that don't provide adequate sound insulation can make it difficult to relax in your home. If you find that the noise level is a constant issue, it might be time for a window replacement. Modern windows with soundproofing qualities can help reduce external noise, making your home a more peaceful sanctuary. Rotting or decaying frames. Wooden window frames can be vulnerable to rot or decay, especially in a humid climate like New Orleans. If you see signs of rotting around your window frame, it's essential to address it quickly. If left untreated, rotting can lead to further damage, compromising the window's integrity and causing drafts, water leaks, and even structural damage. Window replacement is the best solution in this case, particularly if the frame is beyond repair. Frequent storms and hurricanes. New Orleans is no stranger to intense storms and hurricanes. If your windows are old or not built to withstand such extreme weather, it's time to replace them. Impact-resistant windows designed for storm protection can help safeguard your home from high winds, flying debris, and heavy rain. In addition, modern windows offer better energy efficiency and can help prevent water leaks during a storm, keeping your home dry and comfortable. Conclusion. If you've noticed any of these signs in your home, it may be time to replace your windows. Whether it's drafts, energy inefficiency, or aesthetic damage, upgrading your windows can provide numerous benefits, from better comfort and improved curb appeal to reduced energy costs and enhanced safety. Given New Orleans' unique climate challenges, choosing energy-efficient, durable windows will ensure your home remains secure and comfortable for years to come. Don't wait for small issues to become larger problems. Take the step toward window replacement today and enjoy the benefits of a well-maintained, energy-efficient home.